Good morning everyone, I'm Joanna M. Mendoza and today I will discuss marketing and sales strategy. Understand marketing and sales. So first, overview of marketing and sales. Why sales and marketing are like the engine of business. They make it go marketing. Marketing creates interest in what you offer, while sales turn that interest into sales, which keeps the business moving forward and growing. Without them, your business might not even go off the ground. So, marketing creates interest in what you offer. Ang marketing is strategies kung paano mo ibebenta sa mga tao ang product mo. Marketing starts with researching and understand your target customers, what they needs and what they want. Ang marketing ay may four P's: the product, yung kung ano ang binibenta mo; price, ito naman yung presyo ng binibenta mo; and place, kung saan mo balak ibenta yung product mo; and promotion, ito naman ang tumutukoy sa mga advertisement or para ma-communicate mo sa audience mo or sa customer mo yung product mo. Marketing is important because if na-target mo ang tamang kailangan at gusto ng customer mo, maganda ang benta o maganda ang pasok ng sales mo. At syempre, kapag positive o maganda o gusto ng customer mo yung product mo, magiging positive din ang image ng company o brand na binibenta mo. So, sa marketing, merong traditional marketing. Yun yung print, ads, television, radio. Doon ina-advertise o doon mo pinapakilala yung product or yung company mo. Sa digital naman, digital marketing, ito yung mga online channels like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and etc. So, sales and marketing are therefore two interconnected functions within business aimed at promoting and selling products or services. So, syempre, pagka gusto mo na mabenta yung product mo, kailangan mag-iisip ka ng marketing strategy na pasok para sa mga customer mo. Marketing involves activities such as market research, advertising, branding, and promotion to attract potential customer and generate interest in what the business offers. So, yun nga, kapag maganda ang sales o maganda ang image ng product mo, magkakaroon ka ng mga other potential customer or mag-i-invest sa company o sa product mo. So, marketing details. Marketing isn't just about visibility. It's about clarity and value. A well-created strategy communicates your products, benefits, and purpose, aligning your team and potential customer around a clear understanding of what your product offers and why it matters. This foundation is crucial for generating genuine interest and excitement. So, hindi lang basta-basta ang pag-create ng marketing or marketing strategy para sa product mo. Kailangan meron ka nito. A is visibility awareness. Without marketing, even the most brilliant product remains shrouded in obscurity. Effective marketing campaigns raise brand awareness, putting your business on the radar of potential customers. For example nito is, when Apple launches a new iPhone, its extensive marketing efforts through TV commercial, online ads, and social media ensure that everyone from tech enthusiasts to help general public is aware of new product. This visibility helps Apple maintain its position as a market leader. So, ang visibility awareness, ito yung nagkikreate ng marketing strategy. For example nga, yung iPhone, gagamit siya ng lahat ng platform. For example, sa TV commercial, magpapalabas ay ang naisip niyang marketing strategy ay ipapalabas niya sa TV yung video about to sa bagong launch ng iPhone, and of course online ads, and sa social media para lahat ng target customer is makikita yung bagong product ng iPhone. Next is letter B is lead generation. Marketing acts like magnet, drawing your ideal customer. Dito naman, for example niya is HubSpot is a prime example. So, dito sa HubSpot, isa siyang platform para sa mga, sabi niya, dun sa HubSpot, customer platform. Dito, parang yung isang company, magla-login doon, tapos doon na nila titingnan yung dito nag-offer yung mga company ng valuable blogs, books, and webinars na makakatulong para sa mga customer nila. Letter C is brand building. Dito naman sa brand building, dito yung pagkikreate ng may impact na pangalan para sa isa mong product. For example, ito yung Nike. Meron silang tagline or slogan na just do it. Parang doon, mas na communicate mo sa mga customer mo yung advocacy nung isa mong product. Letter D is attract investors. Dito naman, for example, yung Airbnb. Yan. Meron silang campaign na meron silang campaign na belong anywhere. Ang naging marketing strategy nila is instead is na mag-focus sila dun sa traditional na ads or video na pinapakilala yung product nila. Ito, nag-create sila ng stories. Nag-share sila na ay base do sa mga parang nag-check-in doon sa Airbnb. Yan. Kumuha sila ng mga pictures, stories from doon sa customer nila. Yun yung ginamit nilang content, image para gumawa ng mga video nila para doon sa sa marketing strategy nila. So, meron tayong iba't ibang marketing channels. Pero may last. Pag sinabing marketing channels, dito mo dinideliver o pinapakita yung product mo o services para makita ng mga customer mo kung ano ang ino-offer mo. So, meron tayong sa direct marketing channels, the company sells directly to the customer without intermediaries. Ibig sabihin, direct sila mismo ang nagbebenta. E-commerce website, selling products through the company-owned website. Ito yung ibebenta nila yung product doon sa mismong gawa nilang website ng company nila. Direct mail, sending promotional materials directly to customers. Ito naman yung mag-email ka mismo dun sa customer. Telemarketing, ito naman selling products over the phone. Ito yung tumatawag ka, then dun mo, sa kanya mo, dun sa customer mo mismo, yung customer mismo ang tinatawagan mo at binebentahan mo. Television and billboards, this more for traditional. Ito naman yung syempre, alam na natin to, gumagamit ay nagbabayad sila para yung advertisement nila is lalabas sa TV and sometimes yon sa billboards na nakalagay sa mga malls, sa mga sa may kalsada, yan. Company-owned store, ito naman yung physical store na dun mismo siya nagbebenta ng product niya. Indirect marketing channels, ito naman yung gumagamit sila ng other person o third party para ibenta ang kanilang product. Okay, number 1 is retailer, selling product through retail stores. Ito is, example nito is mga convenience stores. Wholesaler, selling products to wholesalers who then sell to retailer stores. Ito naman, yung bibili niya lahat ng product, then doon niya ibibenta niya sa mismong customer o kaya doon sa mga retailers. Just distributors, agent who sell products to end customers on behalf of the company. Ito naman, yung distributor naman is, ito may mga formal agreement sa mga sa mismong nagtitinda. Parang another sales agent na minsan sila rin ang gumagawa ng parang marketing strategy din para dun sa mismong product. Agent, broker, third parties who facilitate sales between the company and the customers. Ang agent naman, ito rin yung mga another sales agent naman na din na between the company and the customers. Next is digital marketing channels. Social media, ito yung mga nakikita nyo na advertisement sa Facebook, Instagram, Twitter para sa marketing strategy nila. Ang search engine naman, ito naman yung, of course, dito mo pwedeng i-search yung, for example, gusto mong product or yun. For example, yung gusto mong product, gusto mong i-search and pwede kang gumamit ng Google, Bing, and etc. Email marketing, ito naman, sending promotional emails to potential and current customers. Ito naman yung, for example, may nagsisend ng email about their product sa mga customer na nila or potential customer nila. Content marketing. Ito naman is yung pag-create ng mga blog yan para i-market ang kanilang product. Hybrid. Ang hybrid channels combining multiple type of channel to reach customers. For example, mayroon na silang online, mayroon na silang digital, meron na silang mga retailer, and meron na silang online and retailer para ibenta ang kanilang product.